So we're gonna hop up here and then they're gonna raise it up.
Oh. Oh boy.
Here we go, we're going up.
All right, you guys, this is something very exciting. This is the Microsoft Surface Hub, and I guess we're in our pandemic bubble. We actually saw the large version of this at CES this year, and today, my friends, hold on, we're going to unbox the 50-inch version, and it is now going to be a part of my home and my studio and my life.
I wasn't prepared. Look at this little thing.
What do you actually think you're going to do with that?
Hey, yeah. Can we show them something first? Because this is cool.
Come here. We gotta show them something first.
Look at this. This is high technology called tip and tell. It's blue beads. They indicate, you know, if it was mishandled, but we're good. I'm gonna tip and tell myself. Dude, you're gonna stab me.
This is like a hamster unboxing. Like if I was a hamster, like this is a box that I would unbox. Okay, this is so small. Are you kidding me? Oh, that's a USB-C fingerprint reader. Hey, put this in your pocket. My pockets are full.
Oh.
Should I start, should I open this stuff up?
Do you want to open it there, or do you want to open it in your house?
Should I open this in the house? So Sean had a really good idea. He said, why don't we time-lapse the delivery people putting it together?
We just don't want to waste their time, you know, and they know what to do.
It's here.
Okay, what's the plan here?
Well, so here's the instructions. We pull the pin. Here we go. Whoa! Wait, do I move this? I should probably move this. I'll put it right here. But it has a cart, so basically we can move it wherever we want. Oh. Well, we've got a camera, and this looks like one of like the Crayola markers that you get like as a child, so you could be like
Simple cable.
Okay, well I think we need to lock this out.
Yes.
So this says that we pick it up with 2 people, 1, 2. That's not in English.
Read the ones that are.
Okay. I'll read here. Look, some of it's in English and some of it's not. I know it's life is hard. Whoa. Okay.
Okay, that's cool. All right.
Okay.
Oh, I did top first.
I did too. There we go.
That makes sense. I did round 1 first.
Cool.
Whoa, this is cool.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna start having lectures. Oh, look at this. Look at this peel.
This is so cool.
Look how clean it is.
Oh no.
Whoa.
This can be the snack table.
Oh my goodness, definitely the snack table. That'll be for appetizers. Here you go, looky. It's like you're at the groomer.
Oh, okay.
Okay, beep, beep, beep.
Beep, 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 beep,
Okay,
beep,
oh, careful, obstacle.
beep, 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 beep.
Oh, this is a perfect fit.
We had something already ready.
Oh wait, I have a better view than you do.
Wait a minute.
What?
It's a little cubby.
There's secrets.
Yeah, that's where we're gonna be housing the snacks. Wow. Jenna, remember that little thing that
I have it.
Just stick it in. It's USB-C, it doesn't matter. At least I don't think so. I actually don't know.
That looks like the right way.
That looks like it's in there. That looks like a power button to me.
There you go.
Oh my gosh, here we go.
Hi, I'm Cortana.
A little touch of
Wi-Fi
Wi-Fi here.
Little sign in there.
Jenna.
Hello.
So everything's set up. We've got the product key entered. We've got everything up and running. We've got some apps, but we're gonna order dinner now. So I've got Elefante app. This is like our favorite restaurant. It's so good.
I'm gonna sit on the couch and get a full menu experience. Absolutely.
Yeah, we can't be.
Oh my gosh, this is incredible.
Oh,
Premium.
we are now in the menu. Jenna,
Yes.
please pay attention.
Oh wow.
Here's the whipped eggplant.
You
I'm
can
gonna have
really
to-
see that sea salt.
I'm gonna have to ask them to up their resolution on their images because this is
Yeah.
we're talking about, we got a 4K display here. We need high quality images on DoorDash. Oh, I can almost taste that delicious, delicious bread.
I think we're gonna need to do at least 2 orders.
Okay, we'll do 2 orders. Okay. Who's up next? Food is ordered. Now it's time to draw the food that I ordered. So let's see. Oh, that's my first mark.
Isn't it cool that you can just flip the pen over and it erases?
Yep.
Practical.
It's super practical. Okay, so Jenna, what we ordered?
I got the rigatoni pomodoro. It's like a bowl shape maybe. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's a big bowl.
What is that?
I don't
That's
know.
like a cup.
Here's the plate. It's like, oh, look at that, like a little, oh, like if I don't press very hard, it makes a small line.
Well, it's not spaghetti.
You just said it was spaghetti pomodoro.
Rigatoni.
I hate this. It's spaghetti now.
Pretty close.
So we're about to get some training now so we can learn everything that there is to know about this while we wait for dinner. So the Surface Hub 2 is honestly really cool, and realistically, this is definitely not something that I feel like a lot of people are going to have in their homes. But I do see a future where now people are working from home so often that companies will be putting things like this into the homes of their employees. Because it really is a one-stop shop to be able to sync up with your team. And obviously, one of the things that I love is the whiteboard feature. So there's a few different features in whiteboard that are kind of cool. There's this ink to shape, which will basically just allow you to create beautiful shapes without really doing any type of effort at all. One of the things that I love about the whiteboard is how expansive it is. I can just scroll over here and start working on something else. I want to show you guys ink to table, so when you have that turned on, you can use your pen to make a spreadsheet. So check this out. Oh, look at that. Spreadsheet, spreadsheet, spreadsheet. Cool. Food. Yes or no. Cheese burger. That's really ugly. I'm gonna erase it. Cheeseburger. Yes. Grilled cheese. Yes. Pancakes. Yes. Salad. Just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna say no. But I do love salad. Whoa, check this out. When you click that little magic wand, it cleans up your handwriting. No way. I wonder if I can take a picture of myself. Oh, I can, look at that. Okay, ready? I'm gonna try to jump and take the photo at the same time. Oh, heck yeah, look at this. It's so silly. I'm gonna look at that, that's beautiful. It's a hat, that's my hat. One of the main highlights though of whiteboard is the collaboration aspect of it. So you can invite your team, your friends to work on the same document with you. So that's definitely something for businesses where I can see this is such a huge asset. But for us, we're gonna of course be making a lot of spreadsheets about food. But like the maps on this look so amazing. So right now we're in New York, and with the pen, you're able to draw and it'll give you the distance and the current time that it will take to go that distance. Oh, you actually took me a completely different route because that's the way that you should go to get there. You can also do just basic marking up. So One of the things from using this that I kind of was struggling a little bit with is the keyboard, because the keyboard is kind of large and sometimes you do have to hit it down here to bring it up. You can move it around and stuff like that, but you can also hook up an external keyboard or a mouse or anything like that. So any other IO that you have, it will work with this. Another cool thing that you can do is if you have a Surface, you're actually able to mirror that display, or you could duplicate it side by side. So you'll be able to project your Surface display onto the Surface Hub 2, or you can actually control the Surface Hub 2 with your Surface. You know what I have hooked up to this? Oh, that's right. We've got the Xbox Series X, and there's a bunch of different inputs that we have here. So if we just push this little input button, this will take us to HDMI. Okay, I haven't played in a while, so let's not judge. Oh my God, I'm terrible. I'll just grind some rails, maybe. Oh, I did a kickflip. I feel like this is definitely gonna be one of the most widely used features in the Surface Hub. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. This was so fun to get a chance to check this out, and a huge thank you to Microsoft for hooking me up with one of these to test. This is so fun. Since I did just get my hands on this, I haven't fully got a chance to really test it out extensively, but this is now a part of the family, so I would like you to say welcome. Welcome. There is one more little addition that I'm waiting for. This actually has a battery pack, so you're able to add the battery pack onto this stand, and then I can freely roam around my house with this. That is definitely something that I never knew I needed. And now that it's almost here, I can't wait.